Hello, this is Karl-James Langford from Archaeology Cumbria. I've been teaching archaeology for over 30 years. I bet you're wondering why I've got Indiana Jones and his dad from Last Crusade behind me, because lots of people have been really inspired by wonderful films like this, about which sort of include a little bit of worldwide archaeology. And at this moment, I've got a course looking at archaeological sites around the world, from Pueblo Bonito, North America, to the fall of the Roman Empire, to the Greenland Vikings, all these wonderful sites, even Great Zimbabwe, Mapumbwagi, all those wonderful sites that paint this wonderful history of this planet that we live on. Now, I've got a class that I've been teaching on a Tuesday online for 8 years now, and it's based in Cumbria. It's actually based in Arnside. And I'd like to encourage those that actually live in Cumbria and those interested in Cumbria to take part in that class, even though we'll be looking at various worldwide archaeological events and archaeology and so on, which we've been doing very successfully. We will come together for a short time in those lectures every week to discuss some archaeological sites in the wonderful landscape of Cumbria. And hopefully I can get my my screen working in the background there. Zoom technology, so we teach via Zoom. If those that are interested in Cumbria will know that this itself is the wonderful site at Ambleside, and archaeology is so much more than just the Romans and prehistory, medieval and modern archaeology and so on. So if you're really interested, you want to take part in our exciting, invigorating classes, which are based in Cumbria. And if you're interested in that landscape as well, please come on over. You can go to www.archaeologycumbriaonline.weebly.com, and we'd be very pleased to hear from you. And we also teach a class on a Monday, the same class, but that's for a different group. You can take part in that. We also teach on a Thursday as well. We've got some people that actually live in Arnside actually taking part in my Thursday afternoon class, so you'd be very welcome to join that. So anyway, if you want to take part, go to the website. Look forward to hearing from you, and maybe you can come out on a visit to this site with me. Take care.